Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your story snaps not saving. So what you want to do is open up Snapchat and go to your profile right over here. Okay, go to settings and scroll a bit down. And here click on memories. And the autosave story snap function here should be on. Then go back. And now every time you post a snap story, it will be auto-saved and you don't have to worry about it not saving and not being able to find it afterwards. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe. A very simple tutorial, but some people may have needed it. Not everybody knows where all the functions are. So, have a nice day.